Hi. Hi. Hey guys, I'm gonna perform my monologue that I'm performing tomorrow. This is going out to my fucking ex that I want to kill, okay? He's an asshole. But this is kind of weird that I'm doing this because I'm already over him and I just don't feel it anymore, and I kind of don't want to do it anymore because it's just really weird. But I'm gonna do it anyway, and I hate my ex, so yeah, everyone hates their ex, so it doesn't matter. He sucks dick. Probably. He's secretly gay. Okay, anyway, I don't know. Let's do this. You might like it, but I need to practice, so yeah. I'll be over here. I had everything. I had a ring. It was such a beautiful night. The night Jason gave it to me. My hair was up like, and Jason looked so shiny and red-faced, and he was smiling at me like I was the only person anywhere. It was gonna be awesome, and we were gonna buy a house, and I'd already picked it out. It had a gazebo in the backyard with screens where you could put a table in the summer. And slowly, like a murmur, I didn't notice at first. I kept hearing these two names. These two names over and over again in different low voices. Jason and Jessica. Jessica and Jason. What kind of name is Jessica anyways? Who named their kid that? Jessica? It's a stupid name. It was humiliating. I gave my ring back to Jason. Then suddenly, I had all over again. I had nothing all over again.